Let's see if we get a new view. Oh, look at Dad jump in the water. You popped my ball? Dad, look at Kellen did. He popped my ball. Dad, take a look. He popped my ball. Oh. I can't hold my hand. Look at that.
Y'all waste so much money on that shit.
I thought he had a Puerto Rican.
You know what you need to buy is those. It is Puerto Rican.
That means
Puerto
They're
Rican
like noodle stuff.
Hey, Dad, you give me a favor, buy me a battery for the.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Hey, Dad, you have to buy me a toy-free battery for my fart receiver remote. Remember?
No, I don't.
The answer is no. I had to get a new battery for the fart receiver. Well, it just died because all that luggage in my gym bag. Yep, Cuban Express. What's the leak? Oh my God. Alright. Hold on. Lens. I can see. I don't know, I can see all that sun. I can't even see.
Hey Jack, what are you doing? Wait Jack, let me see the camera. Hi guys, look a bubble, look. Hi guys, I'm Mercedes.
Okay.
I got a balloon.
I can't even see.
It looks like the Puerto Rican flag.
That's going to be just.
Mom said it looks like the Puerto Rican flag.
It looks like the
Get off the rope, everybody.
Okay, I don't know. You can see all these chips on the. Okay. So we're up to 2 minutes. Okay. Here's a good view. Let's do it.
Bob, off the rope. Bob, what are you doing? Are you still on the rope? Get off the rope. I said get off the rope. I'm not joking.
Yeah, Mom. My mom about to chow Kellen. I'm joking. That's child abuse. That's child abuse. Don't worry. But just. I know I was 4 years old. I was like 4 years old. I live in a condo with a pool. And Mom is shot me. That's not child abuse. That's crazy. I never died. I almost passed out. Alright. Here we have a Rome Newton fan disposal. Oh my God. Okay. It's a good view. Alright. Let's do another jump. We're up to 3 minutes. The Pac-Man. One more. Good job. It's still recording. Yes. I can't believe this works. Look at Kellen. Oh my God, it's still recording. Let's watch my parents. That's a good view, right? Oh, don't see the camera. Sorry about that, Mom. Yeah, my bird's misbehaving. Sorry, I had to turn the camera. Because there's security cameras in the pool. Because it's gonna be the security cameras. I don't want to show that. That's why. All I hear. That's what it looks like. Horizontal and vertical. That's. Look at that. The camera's shaking. Here's. Oh, wow. It just zoomed all the way. Oh, here, look. Look.